Hi, welcome to Craft Time with the Houston Public Library. I'm Caitlin, and we are making this 3D flower Mother's Day card. This craft is intended for ages 5 and up. You will need the following for this project. Few sheets of paper, a ruler, pencil, scissors, glue stick, and a marker, any color you would like. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first things first, you're going to grab paper, pencil, and a ruler so that you can draw your petals. And you can make them big, small, however you like. Different colors. They don't even have to be the exact same size, because petals are all different sizes. Next, you're going to grab your scissors and you're going to cut right on the line that you created. Next, we're going to grab our glue stick and we're going to glue the ends together, just like this. Okay. And there, you got your 3D petal. Next, we are going to grab a card. We're going to put that away. So we're going to grab another sheet of paper and we're going to fold it together in half, just like this. Okay, and you're going to grab your marker to draw the stem, green color or any color you would like, just like this. Okay. Next, you're going to grab your glue stick and however many petals you would like. And you're going to glue all around the stem. Okay. Just like this. Looking good. I say that's pretty good. Okay. So, we're going to put that away. And you're going to grab your pencil and a piece of paper. And you're going to draw a circle for the middle of the flower. All right, we're going to grab our scissors and we're going to cut the circle out. And you can trace your circle if you like, no problem. Whatever you have around that's round to trace with. Okay. We're gonna grab our cardigan and the glue stick, and we're going to glue the middle part. Just like that. All right, then we're gonna write a little message to Mom. I love you. Then we're gonna open it up and we're gonna put Happy Mother's Day. Okay, and that's it. You got your Mother's Day card from your mother. So thank you for joining us at Houston Public Library Craft Time. Make sure to share the photos of your completed craft online and tag us using #ILoveHPL. See you next time.